Hey everyone, I'm going to demonstrate for you how I would play the How Many game with Nora. I am setting it up like a tea party because that's a game that she's interested in right now. And we have a lot of babies in my house, so I'm going to use babies as my stuffed friend. I'm only using 3 for this activity because she is a little bit younger than our friends in our class. So I'd want to start with a smaller number. I grabbed 3 books, 3 wooden circle blocks that I'm going to use as plates, 3 teacups, 3 slices of pizza, and then 3 necklaces from her jewelry box that we could put onto the babies. So I get all my materials set up and the babies set up on their little seats before inviting her to play. And then when I'd call her over, she's actually not here with me right now, so I'm kind of mocking how it would be with her. I'd say, oh, Nora, let's count the babies and have a tea party with them. So I'd help her count because she's still learning to count. You can have your child count on their own and then offering help if needed. We'd say 1, 2, 3. We have 3 babies at our tea party. Let's help them get ready. I'd put 1 plate in front of my baby. You're going to put whatever object you want to start with in front of whatever you're playing with. And I'd say, okay, Nora, we have 1 plate for 1 baby. Do we have enough? And then I'd kind of see what she says, and I would probably need to provide more language for her because she's still developing her language skills. And I would tell her, we only have 1 plate. 2 babies still need plates. And then I'll ask her, can you help the other babies get their plates? You'd want your child to do as much of the activity themselves. So our children in our class, I would say, would probably able to tell you that, oh, the 2 babies or bears, whatever you're using, need plates. And then they would set it up. And then I would say, okay, now let's help the babies get their cups. How many cups will we need? And I'd check to see if she can put 1 cup on each plate. That's great. Now I'm going to give the babies their books to, oh, no, I'm not going to do pizza next. I'm going to give the babies their pizza. This time maybe I'll put only 2. And I'd say, Nora, do all the babies have their pizza? And then maybe I'm hoping that she would realize, no, we need 1 more. And then she would finish it off. And then I'd probably ask her on her own to help have each baby be given a book. And then we would continue with the necklaces. So you're looking to see that your child can use one-to-one correspondence. That means putting 1 object to each setting. And then while playing, you could have them count, obviously. You can do quantifying, which would be when I say, oh, how many more cups do we need? If they can immediately say 2 without counting, then they can be able to identify quantities. So I hope that gives you a little bit clearer understanding of how to play the game. Like I said, use materials that are interesting to your child. So for example, a lot of boys in our class like trucks. I would grab as 5 trucks, maybe 3 trucks, depending on where you want to start. Then maybe grab some rocks from outside, balls, smaller trucks to put into the big trucks. Just think about the toys that you have at home and what you think your child will enjoy playing with. If you try this activity over the weekend, try and take some pictures of it to document it or record a video because I would love to see how your child engages with you in this activity at home.